Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at something small but incredibly useful, the top 5 best mini travel folding umbrellas. Perfect for travel, commuting, or those unpredictable weather days, these umbrellas combine style, portability, and protection in compact designs you can take anywhere. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Lilac Mini Travel Folding Umbrella. The Lilac Mini Travel Umbrella is a compact, versatile companion designed for modern outdoor life. Engineered for all-weather defense, its black-coated inner layer reflects 99% of UV rays, while the outer fabric absorbs sunlight, keeping shaded areas cooler by 9 degrees to 18 degrees. This makes it an ideal accessory for commutes, beach trips, or any outdoor adventure where protection from sun and heat is essential. This travel umbrella features an exclusive quick-draw system, which includes a matching fabric sleeve, storage case, and reinforced carabiner. The sleeve absorbs moisture, while the case contains drips, ensuring your bag stays dry. The heavy-duty quick-draw clip easily attaches to backpacks, making it simple to carry or safely stow when not in use. Ultra-compact and lightweight, the Lilac Mini Travel Umbrella measures just 6.9 inches when folded and weighs only 7.6 ounces. Its small footprint allows it to fit effortlessly into bags, pockets, or car consoles, while the included EVA case and quick-draw carabiner provide convenient portability for spontaneous moments. Built to handle everyday weather, this umbrella combines high-density water-resistant fabric with 6 reinforced fiberglass ribs, maintaining its shape during moderate rain. Its 35.4-inch canopy delivers reliable coverage for daily commutes or light showers, ensuring that you stay dry and comfortable wherever you go. The Lilac Mini Travel Umbrella merges thoughtful engineering with practical design, offering a durable, stylish, and easy-to-carry solution for travelers, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Next up, at number 4, we have the Leagera Mini Travel Folding Umbrella. The Leagera Mini Travel Umbrella is a stylish and practical companion for sunny days, offering a perfect balance of fashion and functionality. Designed with UPF 50+ sun protection, it effectively shields your skin from harmful UV rays, making it an essential accessory for summer outings. Whether walking through the city, lounging at the beach, or exploring new destinations, this umbrella ensures you stay protected without compromising on style. Its compact and travel-ready design makes it exceptionally convenient for everyday carry. Folding down to just 8.7 inches and weighing only 0.52 pounds, it slips effortlessly into purses, backpacks, or even pockets. The lightweight construction does not sacrifice coverage, as the 38-inch canopy provides ample shade for comfortable use while on the go. A matching portable storage bag makes it easy to carry and store, keeping it handy whenever needed. Aesthetically, the Leagera Mini Travel Umbrella stands out with its trendy gradient colors, offering a chic touch to any outfit. Its fashionable appearance makes it more than just a sunshade. It's an accessory that complements personal style. Designed with attention to detail, the umbrella is both practical and visually appealing, suitable for women and girls who value elegance in everyday items. Beyond personal use, this mini foldable umbrella is a thoughtful gift option. Its combination of compact design, effective sun protection, and stylish appearance makes it ideal for friends, family, or travelers who appreciate functional yet fashionable accessories. Lightweight, portable, and visually striking, the Leagera Mini Travel Umbrella seamlessly blends convenience with style, making sunny days more enjoyable wherever you go. Taking the third spot is the Baodini Mini Travel Folding Umbrella. The Baodini Mini Travel Umbrella is a stylish and practical companion for anyone frequently on the move. Designed with advanced UV protection in mind, its inner layer features black glue fabric that reflects most harmful rays, while the black-coated underside absorbs any remaining UV radiation, offering a UPF rating of 50+. This makes it an essential accessory for sunny days, keeping skin safe without compromising on portability. Despite its compact size, the umbrella spans a 40-inch arc with a 35.4-inch diameter when opened, providing ample coverage for personal use. It folds down to just 6.9 inches, making it easy to slip into a purse, bag, or even a large coat pocket. Weighing only a fraction of traditional umbrellas, it is exceptionally lightweight, ideal for travel, commuting, or spontaneous outdoor activities. Engineered with 6 reinforced fiberglass ribs, the umbrella maintains flexibility while offering resistance to gentle winds. Its design balances the need for portability with structural durability, ensuring it can handle everyday breezes while remaining easy to carry. Baodini also stands behind the longevity of this compact umbrella, offering a lifetime replacement guarantee. Should the umbrella fail over time, a replacement is available, ensuring peace of mind for frequent travelers. With its combination of sun protection, compact convenience, and reliable construction, the Baodini Mini Travel Umbrella is a dependable choice for anyone seeking both style and functionality on the go. Coming in at number 2 is the Moorrlii Mini Travel Folding Umbrella. The Moorrlii Mini Travel Umbrella is designed to combine convenience, durability, and protection in a compact, stylish form. Featuring instant open and close technology, its patented spring mechanism allows the umbrella to open in just 0.5 seconds, ensuring you stay dry even during sudden downpours. Its collapsible design makes it perfect for commuting or travel, slipping easily into your bag, backpack, briefcase, or car with a folded length of only 9.8 inches and a lightweight 9 ounces. Crafted from 280T Pongji reflective fabric, this umbrella offers UPF 50+ sun protection, blocking 99% of UVA and UVB rays, providing a safer alternative to high SPF sunscreen on bright days. The dual-layer fabric is highly water-repellent and quick-drying, allowing any droplets to disappear with a gentle shake after use. Built with a storm-proof construction, the umbrella features a sturdy steel shaft and 6 fiberglass ribs, ensuring resistance against strong wind gusts. Even if it flips inside out, it springs back without damage, supported by a lifetime breakage warranty. Moorrlii emphasizes customer care with a lifetime worry-free warranty, offering responsive support to ensure your umbrella remains a reliable companion for years. Compact, lightweight, and highly functional, the Moorrlii Mini Travel Umbrella is designed for anyone seeking protection from both sun and rain without compromising on portability or durability. This umbrella truly merges innovation, practicality, and peace of mind in a small, easy-to-carry package. And finally, our top pick, the Copulan Mini Travel Folding Umbrella. The Copulan Mini Travel Umbrella redefines convenience and sustainability for anyone on the move. Designed to be ultra-compact and lightweight, it folds down to under 6 inches and weighs only 7 ounces, making it an effortless addition to backpacks, laptop bags, or stroller hooks. Its small size ensures that you never have to leave home unprepared for sudden rain or harsh sun. Crafted from recycled dual-layer polyester, each umbrella saves approximately 12 plastic bottles, demonstrating a commitment to eco-conscious design. The innovative 2-layer structure combines a rainproof outer shell with a breathable inner mesh, delivering full waterproof protection without trapping heat or moisture. Additionally, the UPF 50+ coating provides excellent UV defense, allowing users to stay protected from the sun while reducing environmental impact. This approach aligns with the Global Recycled Standard, ensuring safe and sustainable use. Travelers and commuters will appreciate the wallet-sized carrying case made from PU leather with a hard zippered shell. Quick dry and travel ready, the case keeps the umbrella neat, protected, and completely leak-proof, safeguarding phones, makeup, or other essentials from water. Its stylish, glossy finish resembles a mini clutch, effortlessly fitting into small handbags or coat pockets. Blending functionality, sustainability, and style, the Copulan Mini Travel Umbrella offers a reliable solution for everyday life and travel. Its thoughtful design addresses both practicality and eco-responsibility, making it a compact companion for any adventure or daily commute. Whether navigating city streets, hiking trails, or travel itineraries, this umbrella provides an elegant, convenient way to stay dry and protected.